This is a particular integral that any calculus teacher can easily give you in a class. Let's see, problem 39, there's 19, and oh my gosh, here we go, 39. All right, cool. So here is the integral in question. We have the integral of this quantity tan x plus 1 squared minus 2 secant of x over cosecant of x with respect to x. Now, if there's ever a sign to start practicing your trigonometric identities, this is it, because we have to sort of manipulate this, we have to FOIL this, we have to switch this up, and then see what we get at the end. Well, we have a tan x plus 1 squared, and so one thing that we have to do is just rewrite it as tan x plus 1 times tan x plus 1. So let's go ahead and FOIL that out real quick. This will give us tan x times tan x. That's going to be tan squared x plus tan x plus 1, or times 1. So that gives us tan x, and then 1 times tan x plus tan x, and then 1 times 1. That's the last term plus 1. Awesome. Okay, we're not done there yet because we have this right here. Let's talk about this. So on the top we have secant. That's just 1 over cosine. So we have 1 over cosine, and on the bottom we have cosecant, which is 1 over sine. And we're going to talk about this in a second, okay? Let's go ahead and continue. Let's see what we can simplify. Well, we have a tan x plus 1, and that's one of the identities, that tan squared x plus 1 is equal to secant squared x. This is one of the Pythagorean identities that you should definitely know, along with 2 other ones. I can review those if you'd like, but just know that this is a Pythagorean identity that we should know. We should have it memorized. So that is secant squared. So this plus 1 turns into secant squared. And now we have the tan x plus the tan x. That's going to be 2 tangent x minus, let's go ahead and talk about this right here. Well, we have a fraction divided by a fraction. I want you to think about this. This is 1 over cosine divided by 1 over sine. In other words, we're going to do the keep, change, flip. This is 1 over cosine times sine x over 1. Don't forget that whenever we divide fractions, I know it's a little silly to talk about, but what we have to do is we have to do the keep, change, flip. Keep the 1 over cosine, multiply or change this division to a multiplication, and then flip this thing. And then this will become sine x over cosine x, which, what do you know? That is tangent of x. So that's exactly what we're gonna have over here. So this is gonna be minus 2 tangent of x dx. And then look what happens. 2 tan x minus 2 tan x, boom, goes away. Isn't that nice? So we're left with the integral of secant squared x dx, which is a very common integral because that it's simply the derivative of tangent of x. So this becomes tangent of x. Don't forget your plus cheese, and you are done. That is problem 39 on Book